Hello students, today we will discuss some numerical problems based on simple pendulum. Okay, and first problem is the time period of simple pendulum is 2 seconds. So first of all, write the value of t, 2 seconds. What is its frequency? It means find out the value of frequency. And what name is given to such a pendulum? Students, I have already discussed about second pendulum. A pendulum which has time period 2 seconds. Okay, it means this pendulum is said to be second pendulum. Okay. Now find out the value of frequency, and we have relation between frequency and time period. F equals 1 upon t, and the value of t is 2 seconds. So we can write F equals 1 upon 2 seconds, and frequency will be 0.5 per second. Okay, and unit of frequency is hertz, so we can also write 0.5 hertz. Okay, question was what is frequency and what name is given to such a pendulum. So answer will be frequency will be 0.5 hertz and pendulum will be second pendulum. Now second question. In second question, compare the time periods of a simple pendulum at places where g is 9.8 meter per second and 4.36 meter per second square respectively. It means we have the value of g 9.8 and 4.36 meter per second square. So write the value of g1 9.8 meter per second square and g2 4.36 meter per second square, and compare the time periods. So find out t1 ratio t2, and we have relation t inversely proportional to square root of g. We have relation t proportional to root L, t inversely proportional to root g. So from this relation we have for first pendulum t1 proportional to inversely proportional to root g and t2 inversely proportional to root g2. Okay. Now then we have t1 upon t2 is equals g2 upon g1, and put the value of g1 and g2. So t1 upon t2 will equal g2. The value of g2 will be 4.36 meter per second square upon the value of g1 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, now we have t1 upon t2. t1 upon t2 equals root 4.36 upon 9.8, and now after solving the value of root 4.36, actually the value of square root of 4 is 2. So square root of 4.36 is just near about 2.01. Okay, upon the square root of 9.8. Square root of 9 is 3, so near about 3.1. Okay. Now sorry, the value of 2.08 will be square root of 4.36. Okay, now we can write T1 upon T2 equals 2 by 3. It means T1 ratio T2 equals 2 ratio 3. Meaning 2 is to 3 will be ratio of time period. Okay, now third question. Now student, third problem is a simple pendulum is taken to a mountain so that acceleration due to gravity falls to 1 by 16. Okay, it means the value of g becomes 1 upon 16 of g. It means g by 16. So the value of g will be g by 16. And question is find its new time period. Okay, and we have already relation t equals 2 pi root L by g. Student, in this problem length is constant. Okay, it means L dash will be same as L, but g becomes g by 16. So new time period will be 2 pi root L dash upon g dash. Now t dash equals 2 pi root the value of L dash. There is no change in length, so L upon the value of g. The value of g changes into g by 16. So after solving, t dash will equal 2 pi root L by g into 16. Okay, 16. So after solving, we have t equals 2 pi square root of 16 will be 4 and root L by g, and we have relation t equals 2 pi root L by g. So we can write t dash equals 4 into 2 pi root L by g, and this 2 pi root L by g is t. So we can write t dash equals 4t. It means find its new time period. New time period will become 4 times. Okay. Okay. Next question. Now student, next problem is time period of a pendulum is 2 seconds. It means a pendulum which has time period 2 seconds, second pendulum. So question number 4, t is given 2 seconds and length in second pendulum I have already discussed. Time period will be 2 seconds and length of pendulum will be 0.99. Okay, near about 1 meter. Okay, and in question length is given 100 centimeter. You can write 1 meter, and find out acceleration due to gravity by using formula of its time period. So write down. We have to find the value of g. So write down formula t equals 2 pi root L by g. This is expression for time period. Okay. Now we have the value of t 2 seconds. 2 pi root L The value of L is given 1 meter upon G, and we have to find out the value of G. So 2 to cancel. Now we have G equals pi, and square root of 1 is again is on squaring both sides. We have 1 equals pi root 1 by G. On squaring both sides, we have on squaring both sides, we have square of 1 again 1 square of pi. The value of pi is 3.14, okay, square, and square of 1 is 1, and square of root 1 is 1, and square of root G is G, 1 by G. Now after solving, we have G equals 3.14, okay, square. Now square of 3.14 will be near about 9.85. So G equals 9.85. You can write G equals 9.8 meter per second square. This is value of acceleration due to gravity. Okay. Okay. Similarly, you can solve more problems from different books. Okay. Thank you.